Hey everybody, right, so I've set it all up. I had to tighten this bolt up, tighten this up because this is leaking slightly. But I just want to quickly show you how loud it is. Here we go. So this sort of stays on, this noise, just for a couple of minutes, just while it fills up the tank. It stops at 4 bars. Obviously I haven't tried it yet, but it seems like you can actually get a fair bit of painting done before it kicks back in. So yeah, so that's the noise of it. I've gone into other rooms next door, downstairs. Because it's on the floor, you can slightly hear it downstairs and the next door, but nothing too major. Yeah, once I've set it up and actually ready to paint, I'll do another video. Thanks, bye.